Why does my car jerk when I slow down?
Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to discuss a common automotive issue that some drivers experience. Why does your car jerk when you slow down? If you're noticing this kind of behavior from your vehicle, it can be alarming. But don't worry, we're here to help demystify this phenomenon.
Could it be the transmission?
One of the most common causes of your car jerking when you slow down is issues with the transmission. This could include anything from low transmission fluid to worn-out gears, or even a failure in the transmission control module. Low transmission fluid. Like oil in your engine, transmission fluid is essential for the smooth operation of your car. If the fluid level drops too low, it can cause your car to jerk when slowing down. Worn-out gears. Over time, the gears in your transmission can wear out. This wear and tear can cause your vehicle to jerk as the transmission struggles to engage the appropriate gears. Transmission control module failure. The transmission control module, TCM, regulates how your car changes gears. If this module isn't working correctly, it can cause your vehicle to jerk when decelerating.
Could it be the engine?
While the transmission is a common culprit, sometimes the engine itself is to blame. Engine issues can also cause your car to jerk when slowing down. Dirty fuel injectors. If your fuel injectors are dirty, they won't be able to deliver fuel to your engine efficiently. This can cause a jerky motion as the engine is starved of fuel. Malfunctioning sensors. Your car's engine relies on various sensors to operate correctly. If any of these sensors, like the oxygen or mass airflow sensor, are faulty, it can cause your car to jerk when slowing down.
Could it be the brakes?
Finally, issues with your braking system can also cause your car to jerk when you slow down. Worn brake pads. When your brake pads wear down, it can lead to uneven deceleration, causing your car to jerk. Warped rotors. Over time, the rotors in your braking system can become warped. This warping can create an uneven surface that the brake pads press against, causing your vehicle to jerk when slowing down. And there you have it. These are some of the potential reasons why your car might jerk when you slow down. It's essential to seek professional help when experiencing these issues to avoid further damage to your car. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. We hope this video has been helpful, and drive safely out there.